Okay, so this is 2008 Q7, and this light right here is burned out. So in order to get to this one here, we need to pry this open. So you pry it from here, okay? And the screw is all the way up there. And the slot here is where you put the screw in. Okay, so when it's done, just pry this one open slowly, and then this one too over here. And then it will be out. Okay, so that's the one. So the screws is right here, this blue one. Okay, so I think the bolt on this one is 28, 25 or something like that. And this is the original one. And this is a Sylvania. Okay, so it's on.